I think that zero COVID isn't going to work for Ireland. I would agree with Neff's advice to government that it's because of the complexities in the north. If we don't operate as a single island and we operate as two separate jurisdictions, the fact remains that the Irish government have no say over the COVID policy in Northern Ireland. That's just a fact. And I think we've heard from the two parties that are actually in government in Northern Ireland, the DUP and Sinn Féin, both of them blaming the London government, the Dublin government, but not their own actions. They have failed to build consensus in the north to allow us to work together to have an all-island approach. And this idea that we can grandstand and back political parties of whatever persuasion into a corner to get our way from here, it's not possible. We know that we have in excess of 200 border crossings where you can take a vehicle over. To try and logistically cut that off, the alternative then is to put the entire border region into a bubble. That means your own constituency, Matt, being in permanent lockdown.
That's what I suggested.
Well, that's the option if we don't have an all-island approach.
Yes,
this
but
is what's
the difficulty is your government hasn't
so,
even attempted to address the issues that can only be addressed on an all-Ireland basis.
What about the issues in Northern Ireland? As with lots of issues, when things get a bit hairy, when the responsibility weighs heavy on the shoulders of the parties in Northern Ireland, it's somebody else's problem. It's the Dublin government, it's the London government. Somebody else has to fix the problems that you are in government to fix.
Yeah.
So you want the Dublin government to come up and govern for you in Northern Ireland, but you'd like to govern in the Republic. It doesn't make sense.